What up guys, it's your boy Homie, we back with another video. As you can tell behind me, we just got Gremlin done. I didn't record the last fest we did because we're having issues with transmission, so we're not getting that fixed. Mira, yo soy pompearlo. So right now we're about to head to the track. We're testing this one, we're testing Sancha, and then we're testing the 4-door. So let's get to it. I'll see you at the track. Let's go.
Ruben don't know how to park.
Bitch, I know you can't back up a trailer. I know you ain't talking.
Look, we have a game plan.
Okay.
Ruben said, we stop, okay, he said, I'm gonna park in the corner, and you take 3 places, just 3 spots, and then you park. I'm like, all right, bet. So Ruben parked, 1, 2, 3. I'm parked in the 3rd spot. But Ruben didn't park in the corner. So now Ruben.
I almost did. I was one space off, just like Adrian's one space off too. Get your ass out the way.
Man, it's not in there. Call Roy.
Reverse truck?
Walking on the side.
What's going on, Adrian?
We're here, back. This is my excited face. My super excited face. No, guys, I gotta bring the energy. No, we're here, guys. HMP. We're back with Gremlin. Brand new combination. Been fighting us a little bit here lately, guys. It came out. It showed a lot of promise. Started having some issues. New build blues, what I like to call them. Part of the game. We had a couple of little issues, guys. We've been trying to work through it. Flacco's coming out tonight. He'll be doing his magic. We made a couple of changes to the truck. We're trying them out. It's blowing the spark. Just so people, if they don't know, we're having spark issues on the top end. As the power comes in, it kind of starts breaking up the spark. So we're gonna try a couple different things out. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're ready for this thing to go fast. Stay tuned to the end of the video, guys, because if the truck does not work, you're gonna see Adrian on fire, and I'm gonna light myself. You're gonna save me? But I'll be on fire, guys. I will be lighting myself on fire. Does not work, so stay tuned to the end of the video. We also got Elevator is the name for this truck now. I call it the Big Photo, but the name is Elevator. Whipwood 4-door 2-wood drive truck that's been working really, really good for my boy Adolf. Shout out to my boy Adolf. 248 race. We're gonna be running this one again today. And also, I don't know if they watched the last video. Shop truck, we got it working, got it running. Freddy's event coming up in I think like 2 weeks, November 18th. We're getting ready for that, guys. So the 550 class shop truck. Ruben's running the shop truck in the 550 class, that event. So we're trying to get that one dialed in also. Make sure everything works, everything ships good. Ruben getting some seat time. So badass night, guys. Enjoy the video. Like the video, comment down below, and bang that damn subscribe button. Oh. And also, go like the Pasadena Speed Shop YouTube channel, comment on their channel, and subscribe to them too, guys. There's some really good guys over at Pasadena Speed Shop. You should definitely give them guys
I see that you got your shirt.
Yeah. Oh, look, this is the Pasadena Speed Shop PSS Racing new shop shirt with the shop truck in the back, guys. If y'all want to show support to the guys at Pasadena Speed Shop, go to their website, guys. Cop a merch. I think they have a giveaway going on right now too, guys. Badass all-wheel drive supercharged TBSS. Check it out, guys.
Do another hit, our second test hit. So we're at least trying to get dialed in for the 550. We're trying to get the 60 foot down and whatever. So let's get to the second pass. Let's go. test hit number 3, second pass went pretty good. We're there where we want to be. Now I got to work on the tree, and that's it. Let the truck do the talking. But I still want to do one pass. I still got to beat Linnea.
Right now, we got a 550 race right now. We're worried about the 550s. All that matters to us right now is the 550. All we care about is 550s. The only thing that matters is 550. Chill. Don't listen to Ruben, guys.
Corte. What's up, big dog? Where my $100 you owe me?
100.
That 100 you lost.
Look what I found these.
Yeah, I know. I found them in there.
What?
What? These are mine.
Found them.
These are mine though.
D, you lied because you didn't look for nothing in that trailer, bro.
Bro, there was in there. I seen them. They were right here. Look. Come here. I'll show you where they were, and I left them in there. I didn't say I found.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, earlier guys, when I told you I was gonna set myself on fire, I kind of lied a little bit because I'm not gonna set myself on fire. But the truck's not working. We're trying to eliminate a couple of things. It's acting real weird. It comes up on the 2-step real good, but whenever it leaves, it acts funny. We're trying a couple of things, guys. We're not real sure what it is. To be honest with you, we're not real sure what it is. The truck's fighting us, guys. I'm sorry. We're trying our best. Trying to work through it. Man, it's hard. It's tricky. It's real tricky, but we'll get it figured out, guys. That's a bet. You can bet on that. We'll figure it out. Shop truck running real good, but
You gotta line me up against Roy right now, cause we bet $100 on tree. Who cut the better
Yep.
tree?
I'm going foot brake right now, bro.
Come on. It's
So?
alright. Think you bad or what?
I'm a bad motherfucker.
Bet another 100.
He betted me 100 today.
Bet another one.
he's not gonna let y'all race. Y'all tripping. He knows he ain't gonna let y'all race, but he just talking, bro.
Sunday we're racing.
Nah, I'm gapping Linnea Sunday.
Yeah, I'll drive the bitch.
I'm gapping Linnea
After
Sunday.
you gap her, you race me.
Alright guys, right now I'm just working on my light right now. We're gonna be, basically I'm just testing the truck but working on my light. Every time I run, something happens and I gotta stop. So let's try to get at least, what do you think? I'm trying to get a .07. With that I'll be satisfied. But let's see how this go. Let's go. Alright guys, actually the next day, we're out here at the shop, Pasadena chilling. We're having issues.
We haven't fuck up.
Yeah, we're having issues with the truck, so right now, when we're at the track, Flacco kind of pinpointing us to what was giving us the issue to the truck, so now we're here at the back. We're back at the shop, we're getting it fixed. So, Adrian,
Yes, sir.
what was the problem with what happened?
Solid state relay. We're running a new solid state relay on this deal. What we did notice was that when you let go of the button, like we're realizing that it spools up, everything's good, but the moment Roy lets go of the button, like, the truck kind of loses 5, 6, 7, and 8 cylinders. The back, all 4 cylinders in the back, they cut off, so it leaves pretty much like a 4-cylinder, and we're chasing it. So we're thinking it's like a back feed issue with the solid state relay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that off, and we're gonna go back to the other relays that we used before, and fingers crossed that.
Because whenever Roy did it on boost brake,
Yeah,
it
foot
worked.
brake, yeah. He made a pass on foot brake with no trans brake, and it worked good. When we went back to the trans brake and we tried some shit after we had some issues. We're definitely trying to narrow it down, something with the solid state, so we're gonna change it out and
Hopefully it works.
it's gonna go out.
But yeah, today, happy birthday to my boy Roy. Today is birthday. So comment down below, tell Roy happy birthday. And his old ass. He's getting a little rusty on the tree, you know. So that's why I come in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get this fixed quick.
What's going on, Vato?
Nothing much, man. Just doing what I gotta do. Toasted barbecue.
Toasted barbecue.
Yeah, toast.
What you think about this weather? Perfect
Nice weather, man.
Nice weather.
Comfortable for a night to the barbecue out here right now. We're doing good.
We're still hot.
So this is how we do it at Pasadena's on Fridays?
Yes, sir.
Going back to the old days.
I've been working too hard, man. I'm recording me eating my taco. Hey, bro.
Hey, it's not you. We been working too hard. We've been putting in late nights, late early mornings. You know what I'm saying? Now it's time to eat good.
If your chef is skinny, you got problems.
That dude ain't skinny. Donna George.
Mira.
Sí, mira. Y no le echo de caira, le echo de la garra,
Ajá.
agarra chile. Mira. No le echo de bocatito.
Ruben's not gonna let Roy call him out, bro, and not go race.
Roy, come here, call him out.
You already called him out. Roy already left.
Come call him out on camera. There you go, cuss. Whoop that ass real quick.
Alright guys, we're gonna go whoop that ass.
Hey, Ruben, take it easy on my trailblazer, bro.
You taking Trailblazer or you taking
I'm taking Trailblazer. One, two, three. I think I shut the light.
There's a fucking cop right there.
It didn't shift it, and then the cop, there was a cop right there.
Motor guys, actually, a couple days later, we ended up finding a lot of issues with Gremlin, so we ended up getting them fixed. Took us a little while. We had to order some parts. Right now, I'm about to go get tests and get ready for my boy Freddy's event. It's this Saturday, what is it, the 18th? So we will be out there. We're gonna take Gremlin, Black Beast, and Sancha, and 4-door with the little Whipple. But yeah, we'll be out there, but we're building a truck for the 750 class, cause 750 paying out $7 grand, so fuck it, why not? So yeah, let's head to the track and hopefully we'll fix all the bugs out of Gremlin, or we can finally fuck, cause lately it hasn't been fucking. So we'll see you out there, let's go.
Alright, so what's going on, Adrian? Talk to the camera.
So, this is what happened. We're supposed to go to the track. The race is this weekend, but the track just got rained out. So we decided Mexico's kind of close to us, so we're gonna go all the way to Mexico, this top secret place in Mexico, and we're gonna go and we're gonna make a hit on the street. We think we fixed Gremlin, we think we got it figured out, but we gotta find out. So we gotta go all the way to Mexico and try and make a hit, see if it works.
Rangers.
Fuck the Rangers. Don't fuck him up though.
Still Houston, baby, all day. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but yeah, he wants to get Gap tomorrow. So
once we gap him, he gonna be Dallas fuck the world.
Hey, but don't forget, he's running his truck, and I'm gonna run mine. So we're gonna see.
I haven't drove over a year, and I'm still gonna go across his ass. He's been testing every day, Monday through Saturday, Monday through Sunday.
No, we're working Monday through Saturday.
Dallas coming to fuck shit up.
Dallas in the wrong part.
Dallas coming to get gapped. A la verga.
Dallas ain't ready for Houston, baby.
Dallas is gonna be 2-0.
How much you want to bet on
1,
that?
2.
How much you want to bet on that?
With him? How much?
2-0. No, 2-0. You said you're gonna be 2-0. How much you
we
want?
can do 1,000.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Friendly.
Friendly thousand.
Friendly thousand.
That's it.
That's it.
1,000. I like my ass with that shit every day, bro. Come on.
Man, hey.
Must be nice.
Dallas people are broke, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, Tune King. See King. He don't have King for no reason. That motherfucker got money.
What's up? That guy over there. Hey, I got me a new shirt. Rolling Rods right here. They sponsor me this shirt.
Esa le queda, pero homie, güey.
No, para mí, güey. A mí, güey.
Not even a pata one fit in there. But I'm gonna Rolling Rods, baby, all day. Bro, we gotta rep them. Hold it down, know what I'm saying? There you go, guys. First round of Outlaw. No, second round. My bad. Taking that second round of Outlaw. So, about to get lit, baby. Let's go. Easy $60. Let's go. Alright guys, actually the next day, yeah, we're back from the event. It was one hell of an event. I mean, whenever it came down to my race, I said I rallied it, which was bullshit. I didn't rally it. It was a perfect light. I'm gonna put a picture right here, watch. If I would've rallied it, it would've had a negative sign right there where I rallied it. But I mean, people were having, like, I wasn't the only one, there was other people too, but it is what it is. I mean, we're here, I could race another day, oh well, fuck it. But yeah, and then Gremlin, we were just testing it out. We didn't put it in the class because we were still having issues with it. But the last pass we did, it's back. It's on those boots right now. It ran fuck you, ain't gonna tell you what time it ran. But yeah, it's back. This week coming up, we're gonna be going to Odessa. It's a no prep event, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your bell notification. And see you on the next one. Let's go.